How to send snaps are not being saved by friends. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. If the snaps you send are not being saved by your friends, then snaps do not save automatically unless the recipient manually presses and holds the snap in chat to save it. Now, first of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. To ensure your friends can save your snaps in chat, first of all, take a snap and you can see a snap time available with no limit, the infinity symbol at the right hand side bottom, as only these settings allow saving. But if it is not in infinite or it is in 1 second or 50 seconds, then your friends cannot save the snap you sent. It must be on infinite symbol. Now after you have sent it, ask your friends to press and hold this snap after viewing it to check if they can save it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.